Joining us now, Alabama probate court judge Stephen Reed. Welcome to This Week. Judge Reed, you were the first probate judge in Alabama who said publicly you would issue same-sex marriage licenses. Any hesitation about going head-to-head and defying your own state's Chief Justice?
No, there was no hesitation. At the time, Chief Justice Moore had not started bloviating on this topic, and so there was no need to defy because I didn't ask for his opinion and frankly didn't need it. The federal judge told us what we needed to do, and to me that was as clear-cut as I needed in order to make a decision.
And, you know, if you look at polls, though, in Alabama, of course, Alabama approved that ban on same-sex marriage back in 2006 with over 80% voting yes. And even now in Alabama, look at the latest poll, 59% say they oppose same-sex marriage. Aren't the people of Alabama essentially with Judge Moore on this? Does that bother you?
No, no, that doesn't bother me at all. I mean, we're a nation of laws, not of men, and so we're sworn to uphold an oath in the probate court, and that's what we do. We uphold the oath as it relates to the state constitution and the U.S. Constitution, and so we understand that we can't bring politics and personal feelings into decisions that we make day to day.
Have you felt pressure since this has happened? I mean, what's happened to you? You've got the chief judge going and telling you to do something entirely different from what you're doing.
No, there hasn't been any pressure from my end at all because I think it was a desperate attempt to defy the federal government. I think that's what places Alabama a step backwards in some people's eyes when they see things like this happen, the defiance and the resistance. And I think that we're on the front side of this and we're on the right side of history where this is concerned.
Now, the Supreme Court's going to rule in June on this. If they rule, as many expect, that same-sex marriage is constitutional across the country, is that going to end the issue in Alabama?
I would love to tell you that it would, but I certainly, you know, we've seen evidence in the past that related to school integration, voting rights, as well as public housing desegregation cases that wasn't always the case. I hope in this case that it will be, but you can't be surprised at anything when you have someone like the Chief Justice who's been named as the Vox Populi of the judicial branch of the state of Alabama. Anything can happen.